How can you do hot yoga at home and create an effective and, more importantly, safe environment? Let's talk about it. I'm going to give you some inexpensive options, fairly affordable options, and expensive options. More and more people are doing yoga at home, but how can you do hot yoga? How are you going to be able to create an environment like your hot yoga studio that has an elaborate heating system at your house? Okay, tip number one. Find a small room in your house because it's much easier to heat a smaller space. Now, if it's cold outside or if it's warm and you have air conditioning, take a towel, put it underneath your door so that cool air doesn't come into the room. I suggest getting a space heater. Find a space heater that has at least 1500 watts. Maybe you want to invest in 2 heaters. However, if you're choosing this option, understand that especially in the United States where we have 110 electrical, outside of the United States, in Europe it's 220. I really don't know how that works. But in the United States, you can only have 1 heater per breaker, not 2 heaters in one room. Because if you have 2 or 3 different outlets that are on the same breaker and you plug 2 heaters into, even though it's 2 separate outlets, it still could trip the breaker. So you want to find, hopefully you have 2 breakers in that small room, and you may not. So if you don't, you're pretty much going to be limited to only having 1 heater. But here's the trick to jack up the heat in that small room, especially if you're limited to 1 heater, and that is buy a humidifier. Now you can get these small little humidifiers at a drugstore. Some of them look like elephants. I suggest finding a humidifier that's a little bit larger, and you can easily find those on Amazon, or you go to Walgreens or CVS in the United States. Again, I don't know outside of the United States what type of humidifiers you're able to purchase, but this is a very important thing. It's not just how much heat you pump into the room, it's how much humidity and the heat are combined, because the humidity sets the heat index. And if you go to elaborate yoga studios, especially in the Barkan Bikram world, many of them have a humidifier system that's pumped into the room, because the more humidity, the less heat you actually even have to have it. In the wintertime in Florida, it gets a little bit cooler outside, so we actually need humidifiers to pump up the heat, because unfortunately in Florida, they don't insulate the walls, so cool air will come through the walls. And sometimes, especially this year, we've had many, many days in the 40s and even the 30s this year. I'm not sure what that is in centigrade. I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen. But the cool air comes through. That's another reason why you want to put a towel under the door, cover the windows, pump a humidifier, so you have a heater and a humidifier pump up the heat. Because it's so important. Why do you need to even have a yoga system at your house? What if you can't make it to your yoga school that particular day? And I talk about this many times. In order to improve in your practice, you got to be consistent. 4 times a week should be minimum. 5 is great, 6 is ideal. What if, say, you can't get to the yoga studio? Create a hot yoga studio at home. And that's one of the reasons why I created, by the way, the Barkan Method Hot Yoga membership. We have over 700 classes. If you want to take class with me every day, even if you have a studio close by, some days you can't make it, you can now log into your computer or on your phone, create your yoga space, and now I can be your teacher in your house. That's how you can do yoga at home with me. I put links in the description below. There's a 7-day free trial. Check it out. See if it's a good fit. Before we continue on, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell. Any questions or comments, put them down below. I'm happy to get back to you, especially about heating your room. And here's another thing you want to bring into that small room. Get a mirror. If you don't have a mirror in that room, you can get these full-length mirrors. They're fairly inexpensive. You can go to a hardware store. We used to get them in the teacher training programs. We used to go to hotels and do teacher training programs. We'd have a whole bunch of these full-length mirrors. Get a full-length mirror, because in our style of yoga, by the way, one of the few styles of yoga that actually use mirrors. And we use mirrors for our own correction, to make our own adjustments. Get a mirror. Then you can watch yourself in that small room, make your corrections, and it almost feel like you're in a yoga studio. Now, some people say, why don't you do yoga outside, especially if it's warm outside? Go into your patio, go into your lanai outside. The reason why I really never like doing hot yoga at home outside is because you really can't control the heat. Now, every now and then, in the summertime, I'll go outside and maybe stretch out for a few minutes. But if you want to do a real dedicated class, you can't control the heat. There's bugs. I don't know what kind of, if you have a patio, yeah, you can put your mat down. Don't do it on the grass because there's bugs and it gets a little bit creepy. But the point is, yeah, that's an option. It's definitely an inexpensive option. You put your mat down onto your outside of your porch or your patio, especially if it's hot outside, summertime. It's definitely an option, but you really can't control the environment. So I prefer doing it inside. Also, the sun too could be distraction. Now here's tip number 2, and this is a little bit more on the expensive side, not super expensive, but there's a company called Hot Yoga Dome. They created these inflatable domes. You can do 2-person dome, I think 4, I think up to 8 or even 10-person dome. It takes 2-3 minutes to inflate. You still have to bring in a space heater. You need to actually heat the space. It heats up in a very short period of time, some say up to 5 minutes, and bring in that full-length mirror, and now you've got an inflatable hot yoga dome, and you can really control the environment this way. If you're interested in this option, I put links in the description below. Put in my own personal discount code, Home Hot Yoga, and you'll get $50 off your purchase. I do make a small commission, but it's a win-win because you get $50 off your purchase. Now, I have a student named Jo. She's a senior Barkan teacher, and she uses the Hot Yoga Dome for her private yoga students. Have Hot Yoga Dome will travel. So she takes the dome, it's very portable, takes it to the client's house. They go into a garage or wherever, plugs it in, inflates it, plugs in the heater, 5 minutes, she's ready to go. And now she's been doing this for a long time. It's a great way to teach hot yoga privately with the Hot Yoga Dome. Once again, I put links in the description below. Home Hot Yoga, $50 off. I think it's one of the best tips of all of these tips that I'm giving you. There's a company called Heating Green. Once again, I put links in the description below. They'll come into your house, find a room, a designated room that you want to do your yoga in, and they'll insulate the walls. They'll put in panels, infrared panels. Also, they'll pump in humidifiers. And if they don't, make sure you bring your own humidifier. Get one of those. All you really need is one of the large humidifiers. You can get it on Amazon or Walgreens or CVS. You plug it in, you have the infrared heat. Don't forget the humidifier because the humidity pumps up the heat index. You want the combination of heat and humidity. Heating Green. They'll come into your house, they'll give you a quote, definitely more on the expensive side, but a wonderful way, an effective way to create your own hot yoga studio at home. Also make sure you get a mirror. So now you can log into your Barkan Method membership, have me as a teacher, you have your hot yoga environment, you have your mirror, you've recreated the space effectively and safely to continue your practice. Because like, once again, you may not make it to the studio. You might not be able to get there that day. Or you may not have a studio even close by. You can make this now, make an investment, and this is now your hot yoga space. Hot yoga, it'll change your life, guaranteed. These are wonderful tips to create an effective and safe environment and do hot yoga at home. Here's a little update on my upcoming teacher training programs and workshops. In May 9th to the 16th will be our 26th annual hot yoga retreat and Level 2 teacher training program. I put, once again, links in the description below. It's Saturday to Saturday. It's a week in paradise up in the cloud forest. Once again, our 26th year. It's really an incredible way to do yoga. And our next Level 1 teacher training program is both in June and July, 2 9 to 10 day sessions at Evolution Yoga in Coconut Creek, Florida. In August, I'm going to be in Tennessee doing a Barkan Method Level 2/3 training. And in November and December, another Level 1 training. I'm going to go back to Marlton, New Jersey. I was there last year for a workshop. This year it's going to be a 200-hour Barkan Method Level 1 teacher training program with Paul and Shire as hosts. We'd love to have you join us. So that's our episode for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Any questions or comments, put them down below. I'm happy to get back to you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.